What the fuck is that? Fuck that. I'm jumping off my bike and beating your old ass. Sorry, old man. Right there, I fucked you up. Oh, yeah, pussy. You fucking swung on him, then you run away. Fucking lame-ass motherfuckers, man. Wanna be tough guys all the way around. Woo, shit. I fucking hate Europeans, man. Look at that stupid ass accent. It sounds stupid. Beat his ass. We're fighting, yo. Fuck you. So what? What if I am? If I am running like a lunatic, so what? Who gives a fuck? Look at this guy. Look at him. I'm go fighting. Straight up. Snatch him out that fucking window. Let's beat his ass. Yeah, let's just beat his ass. I thought bikers were supposed to be tough. But every time I watch stuff like this, bikers are getting punked left and right. Like, look at this fucking asshole. What are you gonna do about it besides call him a wanker? Which is the stupidest fucking shit ever. Sound uneducated. Okay, now what? Nothing, just got punked. I'm gonna punk you again, watch. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Why is it always these guys that get out of the car though? Like, I'd fuck that guy up. Fucking little fucking twig gets out, like, get the fuck out of here, boy. And that's it. Bikers getting punked. That's what this should be called. You don't see them doing this shit to 1%ers though. Look at them. We're fighting. All this jibber jabber. Fuck that. I'm from the old school though. I'm from the 90s. Like, I'm beating your ass. Smash his window. Do something. Oh, why'd you always do that to me? Oh, oh shit. Oh shit.
A few inches later.
Now what?
I'm not having a go at you.
I would. You fucking pussy.
But you undertook and you nearly hit my arm. Yeah, there's a lay. No, there's a lay-by there for me to go into.
Here's the problem. Women don't deserve to get hit, but sometimes every now and again they deserve to get smacked. Only because they never been smacked before. That goes for dudes too though. The people that never been beat up need to get beat up at least once so they understand. Don't act like this.
See that? Yeah, if
Now
you
what?
turn out like that, I don't give a shit. I know. You can't just pull out like that. I seen your blinker, but I didn't think you were gonna pull right there. I thought you were turning over there.
See?
You just gotta watch out. Alright.
What was the point of even talking? Either let it go or slap the shit out of somebody.
Good. It just, you know what I mean? No, I know. It scared me and it pissed me off, you know?
Why you gonna get a number and try to fuck?
Yeah.
Goddamn, this is a waste of time.